Welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use Citation Map in Topic Engine to review the relationship between in-text citations and the reference list in a thesis. The tool shows where each source is cited, whether a matching reference entry exists, and how closely the wording of a sentence aligns with information available in public academic indexes. It is a review aid, not a final academic judgment. From the Check the Writing section, open Citation Map. You can either upload a .docx file or paste the text directly. The maximum upload size is 40 megabytes. Images remain in your browser, only the text is sent for analysis, and your original file is not changed. Select the thesis using Choose File. When it is ready, click Run the check and draw the map. A large thesis may take a few minutes to process. The analysis runs in 4 stages: reading the file, finding citations, checking sources, and assembling the map. Each square represents the current status of a citation and its likely source. Green means verified. Blue means verified, but no DOI is available. Amber means open the paper and check it yourself. Gray means it could not be confirmed online. Red indicates an item that needs correction. The Live Requests panel shows responses from Crossref, OpenAlex, and Semantic Scholar. The waiting period has been accelerated in this video. Do not refresh the page while the check is running. When the results are ready, the Where It is Cited section on the left shows sentences from the thesis, while the reference list appears on the right. The connecting lines show which sentence cites which reference entry. A solid line reaching an entry means the in-text citation has been connected to the reference list. A broken red line ending in a circle means the source is cited in the text, but no matching entry was found in the list. Select the checkbox beside a sentence or reference to keep its line visible. The filters at the top let you choose a chapter, color the map by verdict or chapter, and show only the items that need attention. A green card generally means the source supports the citation. An amber card means you should open the original paper and confirm the claim and context. A gray card could not be checked online, while a red card requires attention in the citation or reference list. In this example, Google 2022 is cited in the thesis but is missing from the reference list, so a broken red line is shown. The shape of its chart gives a chapter-by-chapter summary of the results. 6 reference entries appear in the list but are never cited in the thesis. 2 sources, Pasuraman, 1988, and Zatham, 2002, account for 9 of the 109 citations. Remember that an amber result does not automatically mean a citation is wrong. The tool normally compares the words in your sentence with the index title and abstract. It does not read the complete paper. Treat it as a prompt to open and verify the source, not as an instruction to change the citation automatically. Make final corrections using the original papers, your supervisor's guidance, and your institution's rules. This is how Topic Engine Citation Map helps you review in-text citations, reference entries, and possible inconsistencies in a thesis. If this tutorial was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.